guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Barbie outfit on Dress to Impress. So to do that, I am going to use this hair in blonde, position the Y at 0.66, Z 0.82, and scale it to 0.36. Then I used these bangs here, and I used this hair with this small ponytail at the back. Then for the outfit, I am just going to use this one. I'm just going to find the blue kind of color now, and I'm just going to do silk. It's like a turquoise kind of vibe, like this maybe. Then select this in type 3 and then color it the same in silk. And then for the leg warmers, I am just going to select these ones. And I think there's a rainbow pattern somewhere. Or you can use the rainbow glitter too. You can use either this one or you can select rainbow glitter. It's pretty much the same if you select this color, I guess. Maybe the pink one or just the white one here works as well. Then for the shoes, I'm just going to use these ones. Actually, there's two types she wears. She wears one that's heels. I'll do heels this time. And it's a pinky peach color, maybe this actually. Let's do light silk on it. And then for the belt, I think, well, this could work, but I do honestly like the VIP one a little bit better. But if you don't have VIP, you can either choose between that or the other one. Oh, I think you can also use, sorry, what was that? Oh my god. The this one as well, you can just use the second toggle for that. And do it in silk maybe, and then you can also adjust that without needing the VIP one. I just remembered we had this, sorry. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!